Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Monzo Flex, the innovative buy now pay later solution from Monzo. Whether you're considering flexible payment options or you're just curious about how Monzo Flex stands out in the crowd of buy now pay later markets, this comprehensive review will provide you with all the insights you need. Let's get started. Monzo Flex is Monzo's entry into the buy now pay later arena, designed to offer users a seamless and flexible way to manage their purchases. Unlike traditional buy now pay later services that are often tied to specific retailers, Monzo Flex provides the freedom to split almost any transaction into manageable installments. This means you can use it for a wide range of purchases, both online and in-store, as long as you have sufficient credit available. Launched in 2021, Monzo Flex integrates directly with your Monzo current account, streamlining the process of tracking and managing your spending. Its versatility and user-centric design have quickly made it a notable contender in the buy now pay later landscape. Interestingly, there is a Monzo app that works on the iPhone or Android, and there's also a Flex credit card that you can apply to use with your account. Now let us talk about the main features of Monzo Flex. Flexible payment options. Monzo Flex allows you to spread the cost of your purchases over different time frames. There are interest-free installments, and in later time, there are plans that come with a variable annual percentage of about 29%. Retroactive flexing. A unique feature of Monzo Flex is the ability to go back over the previous 2 weeks and choose to spread the payments on past purchases. Section 75 protection. Purchases made with Monzo Flex benefit from Section 75 protection, offering an added layer of security. Seamless integration with Monzo app. You can manage your Flex payments directly with the Monzo app. The app provides real-time notifications, allows you to adjust payment schedules, and offers the flexibility to make early repayments without any extra charges. Credit reporting. Monzo reports your Flex usage to major credit reference agencies, including Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This means responsible use can positively influence your credit score, while missed payments may have a negative impact. Now let us talk about the pricing. Understanding the cost associated with Monzo Flex is crucial. There is a free plan, which is usually a UK current account, 3.5% AER variable interest that is paid monthly, and fee-free withdrawals of up to £200. Then there's an extra plan at £3 a month, there's a perks plan at £7 a month, and there's a maximum plan from £17 a month. There are no hidden fees with Monzo Flex. Early repayments are free and there are no charges for setting up or managing your payment plans. What are the pros and cons of using Monzo Flex? First, the pros. Versatility. Use Monzo Flex for a wide range of purchases, not limited to specific retailers. Interest-free option. The 3-month plan allows you to spread costs without incurring interest. Consumer protection. You can benefit from Section 75 protection on eligible purchases. Transparent pricing. Clear terms with no hidden fees, and the ability to make early repayments without penalties. The different plans on Monzo Flex are affordable. How about the cons? Interest on longer plans. The higher month plans come with a relatively high APR. Credit score impacts. Missed payments can negatively affect your credit score, as Monzo reports to major credit agencies. Monzo account requirements. You must have a Monzo current account to access Monzo Flex. So here's the big question. Is Monzo Flex the best buy now pay later option? Monzo Flex brings a fresh perspective to the buy now pay later market with its flexible payment options and seamless integration into the Monzo ecosystem. The ability to retroactively apply payment plans to past purchases and the inclusion of Section 75 protection are significant advantages that set it apart from many competitors. However, it's essential to consider the interest rates associated with the longer-term plans. Additionally, the requirement to have a Monzo current account may be a limitation for those not already banking with Monzo. In summary though, if you are already a Monzo user or you're considering becoming one, You can manage repayments within the interest-free period. Monzo Flex offers a compelling and user-friendly buy now pay later solution. Its transparency, customer protections, and integration with the Monzo app make it a strong contender in the buy now pay later space. Of course, there's also a bank account for kids that keeps up as they grow up. They are free accounts for 6 to 15-year-olds with no upfront costs, no subscription or no top-up fees. So all of this make Monzo Flex really worth your while. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Klarna, ClearPlay, and Zilch. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.